This is what happens to your face after washing it with coconut oil and baking soda. Having a radiant, healthy and wrinkle-free skin is every woman's priority. But high-quality cosmetic products, such as facial cleaners, tonics, and moisturizers, are really expensive. More importantly, many of these facial cleansers contain little beads that exfoliate the skin by removing dead skin cells and debris, while the creamy and cleansing base moisturizes the skin, making it smooth and soft. But, this combination of a skin exfoliator and moisturizer can also be made at home. And best of all, it will provide the same, if not better, results than the store-bought face creams. This extremely efficient DIY face cream uses only two easily available ingredients: baking soda and coconut oil, both of which are extremely beneficial for treatment of problematic skin. Plus, they are easily available on the market and cost next to nothing. But, best of all, these two ingredients are natural, meaning they're completely safe for your skin as opposed to commercial facial products, which are laden with harsh chemicals. On the plus side, the combination of the two is one of the most beneficial when it comes to facial skincare. This homemade cream will effectively treat acne, redness, and scarring. Plus, it will remove excess dirt and oil and exfoliate dead skin. Once you see the results for yourself, you will never stop using it. Baking soda is one of the most common household ingredients. In fact, it has a number of uses around the house for baking, as a cleaning and deodorizing agent, for personal hygiene, etc. This ingredient is the ideal national alternative for many harsh and toxic cleaning products, always giving great results. Sodium bicarbonate, baking soda, is also used in many homemade cosmetic and beauty products, teeth whitener, all natural deodorant, etc. Best of all, baking soda never fails to give positive results. In addition, being an amphoteric compound, baking soda restores skin pH balance and is extremely effective in treating acne, which normally break out as a result pH imbalance. Similarly to baking soda, coconut oil is another natural ingredient with amazing medicinal properties and antibacterial, healing and moisturizing, all of which can effectively nourish and soothe your skin. When combined with baking soda, it neutralizes the harshness of baking soda and makes it safe to use, even for the most sensitive skin. You can find many different types of coconut oil on the market, but the best to use is wet milled traditional coconut oil, which has proved most beneficial. How to use baking soda and coconut oil as a deep cleanser. Ingredients: coconut oil, baking soda. Directions. The first thing you need to do before starting the treatment is determine your skin type. It's also important to know what you are using it for. If your skin is rather sensitive, combine coconut oil and baking soda in a 2-to-1 ratio, respectively. If you're using it more for exfoliating purposes, a 1-to-1 ratio is more beneficial. The method of preparation is really simple. Mix the two ingredients and apply the mixture gently to a clean face. If you want a deep conditioning treatment, leave the mask on for a few minutes. Otherwise, just rinse it off with lukewarm water 5 minutes after application. For best results, always use a freshly mixed mask. In other words, make enough mixture